Hi everyone, welcome to Fruitful AI's channel. Today, we're diving into the world of image annotation, and I'm going to show you how to use Fruitful AI's image annotation tool step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at creating datasets and downloading annotated images in different formats. And the best part? It's all free for small datasets, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's sign in using our email. Just hit that Sign In button and you'll get a magic link sent to your email. No need for passwords or anything like that. But make sure you've got that magic link before you move forward. Check your spam folder or hit up your IT support if it's playing hide and seek. Once you've got the link, open it in your browser, easy peasy. Now let's talk datasets. Click on Create Dataset at the bottom of the page. You can drag and drop or browse to find your JPEG or PNG images. Add a few images and give your dataset a cool name. Once you've got that, hit Submit. Dataset created. Your new dataset will pop up in the list. Click on its name to jump into the annotation tool. You're in. Ready to start annotating. Hit that magic Annotate All button and let the AI do its thing. Let's give it a couple of seconds to scan the image. Once it spots everything, click on objects to label them. For example, label the Matterhorn as Mountain. Do the same for the foreground mountain. Now, let's get detailed with the person on the right-hand side. We can label various parts like clicking on the hair, just like this, or tagging his arms or t-shirt, like this. No worries, if the AI misses something you're into, we've got some handy tricks up our sleeves. Click that Draw Continuously button on the right side and you can sketch bounding boxes around anything you want. Let's throw a square around the water to the right of our person. A pro tip: try this out on an iPad or a similar tablet to draw polygons with higher accuracy. Now, for those tiny deets, hit the magnifying glass up in the top left corner. Zoom in, mark your spot, just like this. Let's get meticulous with this small part. Hit Draw New Polygon, select a few points, and add on a label. In our case, let's call it Snow. Quick tip: the tool might suggest Unknown, but let's avoid using it for final annotations. To get rid of it, head to Categories and delete it from the list. Now don't forget to save your work. Hit Save in the annotation menu. Might want to do this every now and then just to be sure we don't lose any work. Alright, we've tackled the hard part. Now, let's download that masterpiece. Click Download in the right menu, choose your output format. I'm going with an overlay on the original image, and hit Download to save it to your computer. Let me quickly open it to show you how it looks like. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've just aced image annotation and downloaded the annotated version. A final word of advice. Let's try to also download the greyscale mask. In this format, each pixel in the image is assigned a value corresponding to the class it belongs to. For instance, the mountains might have a pixel value of 254, while the person's hair might have a value of 251. You can open the grayscale mask in Python or any other programming language to visualize this detailed representation. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more enlightening content. Check out the annotation tool link in the description down below. And if you've got any burning questions, shoot us an email at the address listed. Thumbs up if this video came to your rescue, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy annotating, folks!